Now, students, we are starting with chapter 6. It is theorem number 6.1. First one part is yours. See the condition here. What will be the condition first? That if two straight lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles pairs are equal. If two lines intersect each other, then pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. The given part is two straight lines are there. Okay, that is AB and CD are two straight lines here. And the next one part is we have to prove that vertically opposite angles are equal. This equals to this. This part is equal to this part. These two angles we have to prove equal pair. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Given AB and CD are lines. What is the meaning of this? That we are using lines here. Because of lines, we can take it's a straight line and it will be a 180 degree angle. Angle AOB equals to 180 and angle COD is also equals to 180 degree. We can use this property here. Now see, in the two proof part, what we have to write? That first one is angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. And the second part is angle 2 equals to angle 4. Now in the proof section, what we have to write here? First one is angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. Okay, because of linear pair we have to write this because it's a straight line. So angle 1 plus angle 2 will be equal to 180 degree. And now the next part is angle 2 plus angle 3 is also equal to 180 because of straight line again. This is CD is a straight line. So we can write 2 plus 3 is equals to 180 degree. Now from first and second equation, we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Cancel out angle 3 and angle 2. Why it is? Because 180 are both are equal to 180. So they will be equal and we are writing them equal. Angle 2 to angle 2 cancel out. So 1 equals to 3 here. Similarly, we can prove angle 2 is equal to angle 4 because the same concept is there, because reason 2 plus 3 is also equals to 180 already and 3 plus 4 is equals to 180. So if we equate both the equation 2 plus 3 equals to 3 plus 4 and 3 plus 3 cancel out, then it will be 2 equals to 4. So you get 2 equals to 4. Because the process are same, so we don't have to derive again. We have to write only similarly. This part can be proved. It is completely so. Okay. Now, questions based on this theorem will be in your exercise 6.1. Depends on the theorem. See here, next one part. Question. Exercise 6.1, question number 5. What is the first question here? This one. AOB, CD, and is E. Right. AB and CD are lines here. Given part. What is the given condition here? Again, AB and CD are lines. If the lines नहीं होगी, then we can't put here straight line property. That is 180 degree angles. ठीक है? 180 degree angle property we can't use here if it is not equals to straight line. Okay? If it is not equals to straight line, then we can't use the property of 1 plus 2 plus 3 or straight line property equals to 180 degree. We can't use this. So for using this, we have to write here AB and CD are lines. One thing more, जहाँ पर क्वेश्चन छोटा है वहां पर भी चीजों को मेंशन करें. अदरवाइज अगर क्लियरली गिवन है तो इनको इतना मेंशन करने की जरूरत नहीं होगी. बट यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन का ऑलरेडी पैटर्न छोटा है, so we have to write here. Okay, in the finding section also it is given that AOC plus BOE is equals to 70 degree. And one more thing, BOD is equals to given 40 degree. Now we have to find here first one part angle BOE and second one is reflex angle COE. These two parts we have to find here. ठीक है, फर्स्ट वन BOE कैसे निकालना है और रिफ्लेक्स COE कैसे निकालना है. देखो, now we know that these two are intersecting lines AB and CD. It is given 40 and sum of this and this equals to 70. Because of intersecting lines, this equals to this. Angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. In writing system solution, we have to write here angle AOC is equals to 40 degree because of vertically opposite angle. Okay, so we are writing angle AOC is equals to 40 degree. Now next one part, this value can we put here? Angle AOC plus BOE is equals to 70 degree. The value of AOC is 40. 40 plus BOE is equals to 70 degree. BOE is equals to 30 degree. First answer. Now the next one part, we have to find reflex angle COE here. To find reflex angle, first of all, we have to write here, we have to find here only angle COE. After that, we will find reflex. This angle plus this angle plus this angle. All these three are equals to 180 because it's a straight line property. So we can write here. So angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equals to 180 degree. Reason, straight line property. Now value of AOC plus BOE is equals to 70 degree here. Given it is. So we can put here 70 plus angle COE is equals to 180. So angle COE is equals to 180 minus 70 equals to 110 degree. It is. Now the next one part, we have to find reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE is equals to 360 minus 110 equals to 250 degree. Because this angle and reflex of this will be sum equals to 360. We have to find reflex, so we have to write 360 minus the angle part. It will be reflex angle COE. Okay. Again, I am explaining one more time. AOC or BOE अपने को given है. These two parts sum, and the BOD is also given. These are intersecting lines. So first of all, we can write these two are vertically opposite angles because when two lines intersect each other, there is a pair of vertically opposite angles. So this angle equals to this angle. AOC equals to BOD. It will be 40 degree. We have to put value of AOC here in this equation. So we will get angle BOE. Now if angle BOE we have known, then put here angle BOE value and AOC value. Both the values are equals to 70. We are putting here 70 plus angle COE equals to 180. So angle COE is equals to 110. Reflex angle COE is equals to 250 degree. Now next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is yours. Again on the same process here. Question number 2. XY is a straight line given. It is also a straight line. And this is given here perpendicular. This is P over Y is equals to 90 degree. It is given. It is A, B, it's C. We have to find here a value of C. We have to find here value of C. So in the given section, what we have to write? XY and M and R line. And the second part is A ratio B is given here 2:3 and angle POY is equals to 90. We have to find the value of C here. First of all, we have to assume this part. Let A is equals to 2x and B is equals to CX. Why we are assuming this? Because the reason is these two are in the ratio. The ratio, common ratio should be multiplied by with all these things. So 2x and CX it will be. Now we can write the property of straight line here. क्या आएगा हमारे पास? XY is a straight line, so we can write A plus B plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree. Okay, if you are not putting the value 90 directly, then you can write angle POY here equals to 180 because of straight line property. ठीक है? Now A equals to 2x plus B is 3x. Angle POY equals to 90 equals to 180. So 5x is equals to 180 minus 90 is equals to 90 degree. X is equals to 18 degree. This one. Now we have to find the value of C. First of all, we have to find A and B both because A is equals to 2x and B is equals to 3x. By finding the value of A and B, we can find the value of C here. See, what are the parts? 2 into 18 equals to 36 degree and 3 into 18 equals to 54 degree. ठीक है? Now we can write B plus C is equals to 180 because of linear pair. Reason? MN is a straight line, so B and C are equals to 180 degree. ठीक है? So it will become B plus C 180. So now what are the parts of this? के parts क्या बनने वाले हैं हमारे पास? The parts are value of B कितना है? 54 plus C is equals to 180. So C is equals to 180 minus 54. It will be over 126 degree. C की वैल्यू आ गई. ठीक है? Now next part. इसमें किसी को दिक्कत ये आ सकती है, सपोज जैसे अगर मैं बोलूँगी सर यहाँ से वर्टिकली अपवर्ड एंगल से आंसर निकाल सकते हैं क्या, तो हाँ पॉसिबल है. एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर यहाँ पे ये पॉसिबल है कि वर्टिकली अपवर्ड एंगल से भी इसका आंसर निकाला जा सकता है. वी कैन रिप्लेस दिस पार्ट. हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? सी, द कंडीशन हियर इज दैट दिस कंप्लीट एंगल इज इक्वल टू दिस वैल्यू. सी इज इक्वल टू a plus 90. How it is? Because of vertically opposite angle. These two lines are intersecting each other. Okay, so vertically opposite angles will be equal. This equals to this, and this part is equals to this part. So we can write here C is equal to A plus 90 degree because of vertically opposite angle. So A की वैल्यू कितनी है हमारे पास? 36 plus 90 equals to 126 degree. We can find the solution of C also by this condition. Okay.